Now, the first question comes from television. It's a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify the group of cartoon characters. That's Dupont.
The Powerpuff Girls.
The Powerpuff Girls.
Correct. Sports, with which sport would you associate the Jamaican Patrick Patterson? Cricket. Bible knowledge. In which of the Gospels are the Beatitudes found? That's Dupont.
Matthew.
Correct. Science. Which of these grows through metamorphosis? Is it A, polar bear, B, butterfly, or that's Supreme?
Butterflies.
That's correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word mass. Supreme?
Massive.
Massive.
That's correct. Music. What album was released by Beyonce in 2016? Is it A, Lemonade, B, Orangeade, or C, Kool-Aid? The answer is Lemonade. General knowledge. In which country was Sir Winston Churchill a prime minister? England. Local affairs. This is a visual. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. Dupont.
Nanny of the Maroons.
Nanny of the Maroons.
That's correct. Mathematics. Sarah brought 18 cups to a party. 6 were red and 12 were green. To the lowest terms, what fraction of the cups was... That's Dupont.
1/3.
Of the cups was green, that would have been 2/3. Social studies. What is the name of the world's smallest ocean? Dupont.
Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
Correct. Television. Which character in Alice's Adventures in Wonderland muttered, oh dear, I shall be late? Belle beat you to it. That's the White Rabbit. Sports. This is a visual. Look at the monitor, teams, and identify this person. That's Steve Kerr, NBA coach. Bible knowledge. Who wrote the book of Revelation? That's Dupont.
John.
Correct. Science. What is the largest desert in the world? That's
the
Dupont.
Sahara Desert.
Dupont?
Sahara Desert.
Correct. English language. Give a 6-letter adverb starting with L, which is similar in meaning to animated. That's lively. Music. Who recorded the single Thinking Out Loud in 2014? That's Supreme.
Ed Sheeran.
Coaches? Judges? Will accept? That's correct. General knowledge. The Elysee Palace is the official home of the president of which European country? That's France. Local affairs. What does the abbreviation KSAMC stand for? Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. Mathematics. A woman started decorating her house at 10 a.m. It took her 3 hours and 45 minutes to complete the decoration. What time did she finish? That's Dupont.
1:45 p.m.
That's correct. And that is the bell. With Dupont on 31 and Supreme on 22. So we say congratulations to Dupont and well tried to Supreme.